Hello traders, I want to welcome you back to your FXCM YouTube channel. My name is David Londoño. I'm a trader. I also do market analysis, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to conduct yourself through an effective technical analysis using charts. So let's go into it. First of all, I recommend you to choose your time frame. Select a time frame suitable for your trading style, whether it's a short term if you're an intraday, medium term if you're a swing trader, or long term if you're a position trader. Getting to know your time frame is fundamental to conduct your technical analysis. Then you have to identify the trends, look for patterns in price movements such as uptrends, downtrends, or sideways trends. Use trend lines as well to connect higher highs in uptrends or lower lows in downtrends. After that, we have to use support and resistance levels. Of course, you can have different types of understandings on which are support and which are the resistance levels. For example, I know a lot of people get the equal highs or equal lows or support and resistance. Other people can use order blocks or resistance levels and so on. But above all, locate key support and resistance levels where price tends to bounce or reverse. So these levels can be identified using horizontal lines drawn across previous price actions. That's a technique you can use. For that, I will recommend you to apply technical indicators as well. You can use them, also utilize indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, MACD, or moving average convergence divergence, and others to confirm trends. Identify overbought or oversold conditions, detect potential trend reversals. We also have different videos on our YouTube channel, checking and analyzing different technical indicators for you. After that, you can then recognize chart patterns. So learn to identify common chart patterns like head and shoulders, triangles, flags, and pennants, as they can signal potential trends, continuations, or reversals. All of that depend on the type of analysis you do and, of course, your strategy. And after all that, I'll have those are the must, as you may know. First one will be the risk management. Always have a clear risk management plan in place, including setting stop loss orders to limit potential losses and varying the proper position sizing based on your risk tolerance and account size. That's something you have to learn as traders in order to have a profitable career. Of course, practice and adapt as much as you can continuously. Refine your technical analysis skills through practice and by keeping abreast of market developments. And also, you can also combine multiple signals. This is talking specifically about your own strategy. So always have to look for confluence between different technical factors to increase the probability of successful trade. For example, a trend line break accompanied by a divergence in an oscillators like RSI, or a divergence between different stocks. Remember, technical analysis is both an art and a science. So it requires practice and experience to master effectively. So if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to share and subscribe.